How to fix missing chats in Character.ai app. So at the moment, the one solution is that you just need to use this app on the website, on the laptop. Just go to Character.ai, log in with the same account, and then here it is. You can, I think some people are able to restore chats here, but on the app it's still buggy and some users are still missing chats on the app. So that's just what you have here. You need on the app, you need to wait for some update, for some technical fix, and then hopefully it will fix the issue soon. You can also try to use the previous version of the app without this bug if you know how to technically do it. I know some people can restore to previous version of the certain app on the App Store. And then also another solution is just, obviously just use another apps like Talkie app or something like that. But yep, there you have it.